We go.
So this is apartment number 105. It's the Nova between the two.
Okay.
And this one, I was just saying that it's actually the largest square footage that we have in the whole building of this layout. So it's 1,000, I believe it's 1,072 square feet. So
Yeah,
very
it does.
large.
It does seem much more spacious for
Still have the
sure.
same setup here. The sink's in the counter instead of the island, so you have a little bit more working space. But lots of cabinets, all the appliances and everything are all the same.
Great.
And then this one you'll see the living room is a little bit wider because it connects to have the balcony out here as well.
Yeah, it just seems like, I mean, I don't know what the difference is between the square footage from this one to the one we just saw, but it definitely feels
almost 100 square feet between the two.
Okay. Okay, so we've got
Nice balcony. You actually have a bigger balcony too because you're on the first floor, and this one as well.
okay.
But you're kind of tucked away in this little corner here, so you're not right on the road or anything.
Yeah.
And if you notice, when we're inside, you don't hear any of that noise either, so that's something to consider as well.
It's very true. And that's very important.
And then once your furniture and stuff is in here, that'll help absorb noise as well too. So.
Sure. Okay, let's
This side over here
Okay.
is the actual master. So this one is set up differently.
Okay.
And the master bedroom still have a fan and everything in here. Lots and lots of space.
Great. Yep.
And then the
very
bathroom
large.
in this one still has a shower, but you have a much larger closet in this one over here in the corner.
And the shelving is more, there's more space there.
Yeah, essentially everything gets bigger in this one.
Nice.
And then the nice shower. And then big walk-in closet because you even have this little extra indented space in there once you're looking.
Wow, that is great.
Could even put like a wardrobe or something here too if you wanted more shelves or drawers.
Very good. All right.
And then the other side, in this layout, it's set up to be more of like a secondary bedroom.
Okay.
So over here, we have the bedroom. And this one just has a regular standard closet in it.
Okay.
It's a little bit smaller, you still get the nice big window, but no walk-in closet in this one, so it's just the standard closet.
Yes, okay.
Yep.
Big difference
Yes.
than the other one. Okay. Very good.
Instead, you have your extra coat closet storage space in the hallway here. Whereas in the other one, it was in the sort of living area.
Sure.
So you do still have closet space, just not as much.
Yeah, okay.
And then the bathroom in this one is separated from the bedroom too, so you have more of like a guest bath
Gotcha.
with the tub.
With the full tub.
And you don't have the shelving in this one either.
Oh, okay. So you need a shower curtain.
Yeah, so as you can see, it's just one off here. It doesn't have those extra shelves like the other one does.
Gotcha. Okay.
And then again, we still have washer and dryer out front here. Just
Oh,
like the
yes.
other one.
Nice.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So this is the exact one that if you really want a lot of space and a lot of useful space, this is definitely the one.
Okay.
Some of the other ones are a little bit smaller. We do have another one that's on the greenbelt side in the corner as well. That's the same layout, but a little smaller.
Oh, okay.
So you kind of have a few options too, but this specific one is the most square footage, and it's actually a really good price right now too.
Okay. How much is the one on the river, and is it available within the next couple of weeks?
It is, so it's available right now.
Oh, okay.
The sooner the move-in, the better with that one because it is available sooner. And price-wise, they're about the same.
Okay.
Just because this one has more square footage, but that one has a better view.
Gotcha. Very good. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Well,
And if you'd like, I can take you along the outside to see where 110 actually is kind of looking out at.
that would be perfect.
Just to sort of see
Okay.
what the view would look like.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.